In this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to make the most profitable videos you can make by just uploading 2 videos every month. And I'm gonna tell you right now that nobody is talking about this video in YouTube. All of them are talking about how they found the best faceless niche, and the only niche everybody's quiet about until today is there. Because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to make faceless tutorial videos. I think why they don't talk about this faceless YouTube, because making faceless tutorial video is challenging. You need to know how to edit and make animations and use AI voiceovers. It's difficult and sometimes expensive because you have to subscribe and much more. But there is a software you can use that will provide you with everything you need, both the voiceover, the animation, everything you need to make a good video. Yes, that's true. I know right now you're probably thinking, can this be true? But wait until you see the end results. Let's begin. The website I'm talking about is called Feed. I will put the link below this video. Just click on the link and register and start making excellent videos. Once you get here, just click on start a new project. So you are going to start with the intro of the video, because the intro of every video is very important. And definitely the video is also important because you need to have more attention to retain your audience, because if you did not grab their attention, they will go away from the video and your video will not go viral. Another important part of your video is the background music. So you have to get to audio to choose your background music. Choose any music of your choice. So check on the songs, make your choice. Once you find the kind of songs you like, just click on this plus sign and select that song. It's going to be your background music. So you have to set the volume of your background music. Then we move to the voiceover. You have to choose any voice from all these quality voices here. You have to choose any voice you like. For me, I choose Andrew's voice. You choose the style, depends on the intro the type of video you make, and importantly your target audience. However, there are 2 things every intro must have, no matter what kind of video you make. The first thing is that your intro should make people to be curious about your video. This video, we are going to teach our audience how to make motivational videos on TikTok. You start by explaining to them how important this video is in TikTok to grow up to 30 million views last month and 1,000 followers in TikTok. It's also important that you show them an existing account, something that is real. The second thing, which is even more important, is that you confirm their expectations and set up your thumbnail and title. You know, it's the first thing that your audience will see first before they click on your video. They will expect that the video is going to show them that how to make motivational videos for TikTok. Therefore, you also need to confirm this in your intro by saying it. Say it. Tell them that in this video you are going to show them how to make it. You are assuring them that you are going to show them how to make the motivational video in TikTok, that people will be coming, they can get like 10 million views in no distant time. Sure that your background music and your voiceover start the same time. Let's listen.
Motivational videos are one of the most popular videos currently on TikTok. This TikTok account got over 30 million views last month.
Wow, that sounds so promising. Make sure the intro music ends just 1 second before the voiceover ends. That's how you do it, and you make sure your background music is not higher than the audio, your voiceover. Okay, so you can make your background music fade in and fade out. This is how you going to do it, and reduce the fade in and fade out. Okay, you reduce the fade in and
So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make these videos. Let's begin.
and now the fourth part begins by you choosing your footage. You choose footage that will fit to your voiceover. You know where your voiceover starts and where. So we go to TikTok to search for motivations because we want to upload these videos on TikTok. So we will check for motivations and see the motivation videos that are going viral. So what you are going to do here now, of these motivational videos that are going viral, you will just play it. Use screen recorder to record it. Okay, do it slowly. You record like 2 or 3 and you mix them together. You add them together. A clip from here, a clip from the other one, then you add them together. That is how you are going to get your footage. Why you are doing this is you want to use something that has gone viral before. If it has gone viral before, then it will go viral again. Something that people already love. So after getting the clips, you go back to your vid, then add your projects, add those clips, add it, and see how it's looking now, but not really professional. So let's go to the animation. In upper corner you see animation. Click on animation, just play around it. Are you seeing what's happening here now? So you adjust the volume of the animation. It depends what you like. Just play around it. You will enjoy it. Just play around it. Choose anyone you like. Once chosen, you play it again, you will see the difference that professionalism have entered. You screenshot the motivational TikTok account that is going viral, then you bring it to vid and you go to Google and search for background. Bring background. I want a particular background for this page. Okay, so once you put it, you put the background, click on layer, and the background will go to the back. So lastly, you reduce the opacity so that it have to blend with the background. Second trick for this is that you want to make use of slide in and slide out. It makes you a professional. It makes your video look professional. Okay, just try it. A trial will convince you. You know that when you are showing such images, is beautiful when you put animation. So what you have to do is go to animation, choose jingle animation. It will be doing as if it's dancing. It's a very beautiful animation that will make your video look attractive and be pleasing. It will help you go viral. The next stage in this video is to put a talking avatar, but this particular talking avatar have been going viral, is everywhere in fact. So we are getting something unique, something extraordinary. So come to Canva and search for a businessman. So you choose the one without a background. Okay, I choose this one. Place your channel logo over the head of the businessman. Are you not seeing? Or you place a smile. Are you not seeing how cute it's looking? Is it not better than the other one? Are you not seeing it? Are you not seeing how it's looking? Okay, it's looking awesome, attractive, and professional. Also going to add jingle animation to it to make it look more attractive.
30 million views last month. And with videos getting up to $1 per 1,000 views.
I also recommend you add text to it. Go to left side of your screen, you will see text animations. Just add text to it, add color and size, style it the way you want in your own unique way. You will see it's going to look amazing. Okay, style it with any color, with any format you think is best for you. It's going to look unique. So go to Google and download TikTok creativity program and also upload it here. Okay, your video is, so make sure your animations are correct and set a correct way at the right time at the right place. Okay, everything should be in order. You have something like this, everything, and make sure on your image will move at a particular time, and everything will look amazing, and your videos will attract audience. So the last step, you want to add another 3 channels, 3 videos of examples of the videos we are talking about. So we're going to still use our screen recorder and record 3 different channels, 3 different pages that are going viral. That's what we are using as our example. So we're going to use 3 different accounts. Just go to TikTok and search for motivational page, and those pages that are going viral will come out. You screen record the video into 3 places and still add it to your video. So now your video is perfectly ready. So what you can do now is to export it, and you can take it to Canva or any other editing app and finish the work and do whatever you want to do to make it look professional and perfect. If you are still watching this video till now, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Love you. Bye.